This electric car is trying to replace Bugatti, and it might actually succeed, because it's proving that gasoline might no longer be king. Meet the Yangwang U9, a machine so advanced, so calculated, and so brutally quick that even established performance legends are starting to look over their shoulders. And here's the crazy part. Most people still don't understand what makes this car truly dangerous to its rivals, but you will get to know. Let's start with the headline stat. The U9 produces about 1,287 horsepower. That's already supercar territory. But horsepower isn't what makes this car shocking. It's how that power is delivered. Instead of one engine or even two motors, the U9 uses 4 electric motors, one for each wheel. That means every tire is controlled independently, in real time, thousands of times per second. Imagine a car that constantly corrects itself before you even realize traction is slipping. That's not just fast, that's predictive performance. And then comes the launch. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 2.3 seconds. That's faster than most roller coasters hit their first drop. The difference? This time, you're the one in control. No roar, no vibration, just silent violence. So let me ask you, would that silence make it more thrilling or more intimidating? Now here's where things get serious. The U9 runs on an 800-volt architecture, the same class used by top-tier electric performance leaders. Higher voltage means more efficient power delivery, less heat buildup, and stronger repeat performance. Why does that matter? Because many fast cars can launch at once. Elite cars can launch again and again and again without losing power. That's the difference between a fast car and a real performance machine. But power systems alone don't win races. Heat management does. The U9 uses BYD's blade battery, known for thermal stability and structural strength. Performance EVs generate massive heat under stress, and heat is the enemy of speed. If temperatures rise too much, most electric cars automatically reduce power. This one is engineered to resist that. Translation: it keeps pushing when others start backing off. Now look at it. Low, wide, aggressive. Every line on the body has a job. Air isn't just passing over this car. It's being controlled, redirected, disciplined. At high speed, airflow can lift a car, destabilize it, or slow it down. The U9's aerodynamic design is built to prevent all three. Form follows function here, always. And then there's the suspension system, one of its most fascinating technologies. The U9 features an advanced active suspension that adjusts damping and height in real time. That means during acceleration, braking, or cornering, the car continuously adapts its stance for maximum stability. Think about that. Instead of reacting after movement happens, the car prepares for it while it's happening. Inside, the philosophy shifts from aggression to precision luxury. The cabin is driver-focused, digital, and minimalistic, blending high-performance intent with modern refinement. It's not stripped like a race car. It's engineered like a cockpit. So here's a question for you. If you owned a hypercar, would you want it raw and brutal, or brutally fast and comfortable? Now let's talk rivals, because this is where things get really interesting. Traditional hypercar dominance has been ruled by names like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Rimac. These brands built their reputations on pushing mechanical engineering to its absolute limits. The Yangwang U9 takes a completely different path. Instead of mechanical complexity, it relies on software intelligence, electrical efficiency, and instant torque. It doesn't try to out-engineer rivals the old way. It changes the rules of engineering entirely. And that raises a serious question for enthusiasts. Is the future of performance mechanical or digital? Of course, no revolutionary machine escapes criticism. Some drivers argue that electric hypercars lack emotional drama because they don't produce engine sound. Others question real-world usability, charging infrastructure, aggressive driving range, long-term maintenance. These are real concerns. But here's the counterpoint. Every era of performance faced skepticism. Turbochargers were doubted. Dual-clutch gearboxes were criticized. Even carbon fiber was once considered unnecessary. Innovation always looks controversial before it becomes standard. And that's exactly what the U9 represents. Not just a car, but a shift, a signal. Proof that electric performance isn't catching up anymore. It's starting to compete at the highest level. Think about it. Quad motor control, instant torque, advanced battery engineering, active suspension intelligence. This isn't evolution, this is a disruption. Because whether you love it or doubt it, one thing is undeniable. The performance world is changing fast, and the Yangwang U9 is one of the clearest signs yet that the next generation of speed won't be DeFi.